Alright, so I got a tip from a boater, local. He does like, you buy fishing trips and boat trips with him and go out. He saw me and he's like, oh yeah, that's cool. They told me you found a fishing pole. I dropped my phone in here, so I'm gonna try and see if I can find the phone. There's a bug inside of my camera, but whatever, it's inside. Who cares? I don't know how it got in there. It's watertight. See if we can get this phone real quick. Then we'll head out to the fishing pier for the last stop of today, and I'll be out of here about 1:30-ish. So he said right around the center. So I'll focus on the center, and let's see if we can get it. Yeah, I'll go ahead and throw across from there, and throw across from that angle, and see if we can get this. Right along the general vicinity of the center here. But we're not just looking for the phone, we're looking for fishing lures that people would lose here. So we'll have at it for a while, see if we can recover this guy's phone. He said that was a year ago, so there's not going to be much phone left. But if another magnet fisher person hasn't got it, well, hopefully I'll get it. So I got a nail and a circle hook. I'll go ahead and bring my bucket over here closer. It's not going to get thrown in if it's behind me. Alright. Go ahead and throw out in the center some more. See what else we can find besides the circle hook and the nail. Hopefully we'll get this phone. He doesn't know exactly where it was, so we'll work our way down and then work our way back. Won't worry about throwing out too far, so I didn't bring my line over too far with me because he said it would be close here, so I don't need to throw out too far. There's something there. I don't know if that was a rock or a plant or something, but I think my man is doing a swim like it has something. Let's see. Yes, I do. I have something. Looks like another dock bolt. Oh man, that thing is heavy. And the nail. Yeah, it's another one of these dock screw bolt things. But it's just the threaded part this time. Still a cool find. Yeah. I'll take that any day. Any day. I found one of those before too. Let's go ahead and wash my magnet off some. See what else we got. Nothing else. So out in that same general vicinity-ish area. I'll come back another day and revisit this boat dock. It's just I want to get back to that fishing pier. So that's why I wasn't wanting to do this entire spot. I only did the end of it. But now that I'm here looking for a phone, I'll do this entire section here at the end. So I got me a circle hook. And my bucket's kind of far from me, but whatever, because I'm going to work my way back. So I'll just leave it as is, where it is for now. That's great. Bugging piece of the dock there. Got my rope caught underneath it. Talk about a good way to destroy your rope. Or if you put your hand on there, or your foot, good way to get splinters. Alright, so I did get some stuff that throw. Let's see. Just a nail and a hook. A circle hook. A nice circle hook. If I can find it, it'll be reused, repurposed. It'll need to be sharpened, but as long as the barb is still good on it, then it's still a good fishing hook and can be reused. I'm surprised at how much stuff I'm finding here. This must be the popular boat slip, because I didn't find anything in the last one. Well, hardly anything. Can't lie and say I didn't find anything. Gonna throw parallel to, or diagonal I should say, because it's a double-sided magnet. If I had a single-sided magnet, I wouldn't have to do that, but I don't, so that's what it is. It is what it is when it is what it is. Yeah. It is so hot right now. It definitely feels like 100 degrees. Even though the feels like temperature is under 100, it definitely feels like another 100-degree day to me. It's a piece of fishing line. I find a lot of this leader stuff. It's not real fishing line, but they use it for fishing leaders. I don't know what it is. Some sort of neoprene or something like that, or another. I don't know exactly what it is. I haven't even seen anything like that in the stores either, so I couldn't tell you what it is. Even if I wanted to. 'Cause I don't know. A few times diagonal, work along the edge too, there's something there, but it feels like it might have just been roughed. We'll find out. I'm not doing the magnetic swim, so probably don't have anything. Yeah, no. One more throw diagonal out, and then it's time for the drag along the edge. this guy lost his phone a year ago, so it's probably got displaced from where he lost it, if it's still here. Alright, well, I just swung out across the edge like I didn't want it to. Piece of ribbon. He's out here with a ribbon. Come on, ribbon. Get off of me. Somebody's bananas in the water. First I thought, might be something magnetic. Then I realized it's just a banana. Somebody must have brought bad luck and was like, I didn't catch anything, let me throw a banana in the water. Or some fisher people are like, I want good luck. So then they bring a banana and throw it in the water before they go fishing. Superstitious stuff doesn't register with me anything. I don't care about superstitious stuff. Nothing bothers me. Working on the ladders, no problem. Breaking mirrors, no problem. Alright, so off from the edge here a few times. And I'll work my way to where it's the center over there. We'll call it quits for this spot. Why? Because I want to go to the fish and pier. I used to displace this, but now there's cigarette butts in the water. And I'm not reaching down to pick up cigarette butts out of the water. Stop putting cigarette butts in the water. And then I wouldn't have to worry about them being in the water. So I ain't catching his phone, but oh well, when I get a tip, a lead, I'll go and check it out. Alright, so this is an underspin. If I'm wrong, correct me, but I think that's an underspin. It is still good, I think, maybe, possibly, but it's like super duper small. Oh, that's my bucket pot. That's right. Super duper small. That's nothing I can really use, honestly. It was fun to catch anyways. Come on, phone. That's even somebody. Oh no, that isn't black and mild. That's somebody black and mild too. No, it's just a good bus. Piece of metal wire. one more time along this edge. There's all sorts of trash floating in the water column. I'll figure out the water column over here. See if I need to start littering. Litterers are worse than most people out there. They're the worst scum of the earth. Besides people that murder innocents, but that's the point. Scum of the earth. Some of the worst people in the world are litterers. I don't even think anything of it either. You ask them why they litter. Oh, I'm lazy. Somebody else will pick it up. I'm just making it work for somebody so that they have a job. Well, it's like, if they weren't picking out trash, I'm sure they would have a different job. That's not the only thing that the city does. Trust me. See, look at that. Not happening. Took it out. Didn't cinch down. It's fine. My line is getting twisted up really bad doing these photos. Wherever it was worth a shot. Trying to get the phone. On the other side of this pier. Right here. And then a few more on that side. And then I'm done in this spot. I'm gonna go back to the fishing pier. I could continue on up to the top of the ramp, but I gave up on the boat dock. I came here and did the end of it, and I'm like, I'm done with this. If we get anything more, these last few throws, and we're off to the races to go out to the fishing pier. Hopefully there won't be anybody there. But if there is, oh well, they can move. Because as soon as I start fishing there, if there's people fishing, they'll get mad and take off. Alright, that's the last throw here, and then I'm going to do a parallel jab. A couple parallel jabs. Or one parallel jab. Yeah, I'm only going to do one. Because I don't feel anything. So, yeah. I did feel some stuff there. Just got it. Nope. Take a couple quick throws back here, some already here. Might as well. Just for curiosity's sake. Curiosity's sake. piece of fishing line. Some gunk. There was something in the water that moved. I don't know what it was, but it moved as soon as my main started coming down on it. I think it was just plant matter, but I'm not sure. I don't have glasses on that can see into the water, so I'm not quite sure what it was, honestly. I know that a lot of people fish this area, but we're just not catching anything, so we're not going to spend too much time on it. I did just get some fishing line, super old. Could get that out of the water, even though it's already starting to decompose. So these are bricks. I've never really paid much attention to it. I thought it was brick, but for the life of me, I thought it was fake or something. No, it's legitimate brick. It's been bricked. Only in Kissimmee do you see a bricked dock. Alright, 2 more arrows, people. And then we'll go to the fishing pier. And saying peoples is correct because there's more than one nationality that watches my videos. Somebody's fishing lure is stuck to some rope. Let's go ahead and try and actually get that rope, if at all possible. Some old fishing line, as par, almost like always. Alright, I said one more time. I see some rope. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to get that person's rope. Take off to the fishing pier. One more spot. Fishing pier has a bunch of people on it, then I won't do it. And I'll do a different spot. But yeah, I'll be in that general vicinity. Alright. See you.